It's 10:33. Wife's making breakfast over here, or brunch, whatever you want to call it. Child's playing video games. And Damian is taking out his turbo so we can slap mine on it once I get there.
Emilio wanted me to film a funny video. I'm not finding it that funny. We are now taking the 6266 turbo back off of my Grand National because it is dumping so much oil into the exhaust system I could fog out an entire city worth of mosquitoes. Stay tuned. So, chapter 119 on Damian's Grand National that doesn't run for crap.
So now I am here leisurely driving towards Damian, enjoying the AC, and hopefully he's sweating his ass off trying to get his turbo off, because I'm going to lend him mine. Mine's back there. I don't know if you can see that since I'm filming and driving at the same time, but we'll see.
I don't think oil is supposed to be coming out of that flange. So it's time to remove this and figure out what is going on. Just separated the downpipe and looky at that block off plate. It is not supposed to be that oily. It's great for exhaust lubrication, but that's about it. So no wonder I've been losing like quarts of oil out the exhaust.
And turbo's out. It's a mess. That's all real good oil. It's scraping in the back too. You can see that shiny metal there. And hold on a second, actually. There you go. If I do it slow, you can see it better. Yeah, that's a really
it's a brand new,
good turbo you got there.
brand new 6266.
The good turbo you got there, Damian.
Like didn't even get it down the track. What?
Twice.
I didn't make it down the track twice. This is horrible. Like, horrible. How is that even possible with a brand new turbo?
Meh. Anyways, to the Magna meet. Here's my here's my fellow YouTuber doing B-roll. B-roll of the plate.
The two guys that do Buick channels are both together.
We're not foodies.
Camera one, camera two. I just like food. I'm not a foodie, but I just like it.